This looks really good. Jesse, Bev, team, this looks great. Looks almost natural. The idea was that the material that we took off, that we stripped off to lay the foundation, this insulated foundation, would be moved back around the perimeter of the building. And that's what we've done here. We've just covered the insulation around the skirts with the sod that was there before. You know, you can see what kind of an insulator this material is, because here's the snow left. Now all this had over the top of it was just a little bit of this soil on top of the snow pile. And despite the 70-degree weather, that snow wasn't melting because it had insulation created by the soil on top of it. Not only do you have the vegetation around, which you try to leave undisturbed, to leave the ground frozen, but you even have more insulation where the house is itself. So remember, we came in early in the spring when the ground was still frozen. We placed the foundation on the frozen ground, and the whole idea is that now it will be stable and remain frozen underneath the house. Of course, we also put those pipes in, like you see right there, which will allow us to blow cold air in the wintertime, monitor the temperature of the ground, and keep it below freezing. Yeah, I let that grow. It might root. You know, there's a lot of stuff alive there.
The moss.
Isn't it interesting how frozen, it doesn't take much to keep things frozen. So our approach was to have a minimal disturbance on the site. And we've done a pretty good job of it. It's tough, you know, not to affect things. But I think in a year or so, you'll come back here and these houses will look kind of like they floated down in place, which is what we want. Very light footprint.